There you go, Grady. Run a little faster there. Who's next? Keep running, Grady. See how he runs a little funny there? Like a sissy a little bit? It's because he doesn't care that much. He's not a sportsman, per se, eh? Let's go, let's go. Who's next? Okay, not bad. You see? The strongest girls are only half as good as the weakest boys. Do you understand? Do you see that? Who's next? Is it you? Now, who are you here? Mobu, Mogu, Mobooty, whatever it is. Is that it? What? What are you telling him? He can't kick. How can he be a team player if he can't even communicate? He should be in the outfield or something. It's not his fault or his team's fault that he can't even speak English. Oh, so you want to sit out of the game now? Or you want to be the umpire? Well, good, Roberts. Now you can give me 20. You too, Mobu. Yes, like him. Give me 20 push-ups. Eric, show them how. I saw you clowning over there. You're encouraging this, and now we all have to wait. You see? You think you're sneaky? Well, I can see you. We can all see you. Clowning and embarrassing yourself. It's no use pretending, because we can all see what's going on. Right? Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.